What is up, you guys? It's me, DareDevil-Productions. I'm whispering because it's nighttime right now. I'm at an abandoned Walgreens, and yeah, I am exploring at night. You can see it definitely used to say Walgreens right there. This is pretty weird. I remember this thing when it was open. The lights flickering in there. It's like the back rooms. There's the blue is where the pharmacy used to be. Photo would be probably over there somewhere. These would all be completely stocked shelves. It's just a shell, man. Now I'm here before the power does like shut down. Before they do shut the power down. Old restroom signs are still up. This is crazy, just exploring at night. It's different. So yeah, it's just a shell. Like this was literally open there. Kind of see there where the Walgreens logo used to be. Again, I'm being quiet because there are houses nearby. I don't want to be too loud. So yeah. All right. This is kind of crazy. This is like the first time I'm exploring at night. I mean, it's not the first time I've explored at night, because I mean, I did explore the Toys R Us at night, if you guys have ever watched that short I made where I explored it at night. But, yeah, here's the doors. These are the loading doors. It says no trespassing, authorized personnel only. Authorized personnel only. That's a fire exit, I think. Okay, we are now approaching the old pharmacy, I believe. Yeah, look, they have an old store closing sign here. This is the pharmacy right here. Sort of just full of medicine. Look at this. It's just kind of bummed seeing a place like this. There's no pharmacy. All the lights here are off. Yeah, they closed on May 1st, 2025. Look at that, it's just, oh God. Let's look here. I've not seen like any security cameras in this place yet. Oh, and I tripped. Again, this is where the Walgreens logo would have been. This is late at night. I mean, these places, like, you don't really find much at all. There's not really much to see, but, you know, you can just kind of remember of what it used to be, though. Like, what it once was. I definitely cannot reach those windows up there. I mean, yeah, I could try, but I probably would. There's an alarm going off. Oh, there's an alarm going off in there, guys. Sounds like a burglary alarm. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, or tonight's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.